system, right? So what do I design? I make some design to improve the user's preference elicitation process in order to better understand users' true preference. Otherwise, user may say, I want a lot of advanced features for a product, but I just want to pay a little bit of money, which is not realistic, right? So the design will help users to formulate a more realistic product preferences. So that's one example. And the other example is to design recommendation improvement features. So if users are not satisfied with the product recommendation by the agent, they have the opportunity to fine-tune, okay, fine-tune the recommendation set. So there's another feature. About the first stream of my research. And the second stream of research is about technology adoption and post-adoptions. For the context of e-commerce, I look at how the various quality, for example, service quality, information quality, and system quality influence users' adoption of the e-commerce websites. And recently, I have a paper about iPad adoption in the classroom setting. So I not only look at what factors will influence people's adoptions, students' adoption of iPad at the initial stage, but also post-adoption stage, whether those factors will change or not. So that's the second stream of research. And the third stream of research is about technology evaluations. So I evaluate technology-related objects, for example, communication media, such as video to video, face to face, audio to audio, and text to text communication media. What are their differences? And evaluate online human live chat. So this is a customer service representative chat versus chat provided by, or services provided by technologies. So what are their differences? And the other type of evaluation is recommendation sources. So what are the differences among the recommendation sources, which is the topic that I'm going to go through today. So this is basic information about my three streams of research. And regarding the ongoing project, I have a research project related to AI and social recommendation. And in fact, this is a natural progression of my prior research interest to the current one. For example, I can think of how to better design AI systems, whether people will adopt an AI system, and how does the AI system perform as compared to human in different kind of contexts, right? So I can apply my stream of interest to the emerging technologies. And the methodologies that I mainly use is experiment and surveys. And of course, I also welcome to use the other methodology to complement my existing ones to better understand research phenomenon. Okay, now let's talk about today's topics, the relative effect of the convergence of multiple recommendation source recommendations. So why I look at multiple sources recommendations? First of all, is there are large varieties and amounts of products available over the internet, and a lot of users need to search and compare products online, including yourselves, right? When we want to buy a product, particularly with a big chunk of money, then we need to do some serious search and compare. On the other hand, websites provide product recommendations. According to the statistics, over 3/4 of the top 500 internet retailers, they feature product recommendation on their websites. They may come from different sources. For example, some is from the consumer's review, the other is from the experts of recommendations. And recommendation acceptance